Number 11. Exchange addresses. It means to give each other your place of residence details.
We exchanged addresses to send holiday cards. We exchanged addresses to send holiday cards. At the meeting, they exchanged addresses. At the meeting, they exchanged addresses. Before leaving, let's exchange addresses. Before leaving, let's exchange addresses.
Number 12. Exchange ideas. It means to share thoughts or suggestions with each other.
During the workshop, we exchanged ideas freely. During the workshop, we exchanged ideas freely. It's good to exchange ideas in meetings. It's good to exchange ideas in meetings. They often exchange ideas on projects. They often exchange ideas on projects.
Number 13. Exchange money. It means to convert currency from one form to another.
You need to exchange money before traveling. You need to exchange money before traveling. She exchanged money at the airport. She exchanged money at the airport. Where can I exchange money here? Where can I exchange money here?
Number 14. Fail a drugs test. It means to test positive for illegal substances in a drug test.
He failed a drugs test last month. He failed a drugs test last month. The athlete failed a drugs test unexpectedly. The athlete failed a drugs test unexpectedly. If you fail a drugs test, there are consequences. If you fail a drugs test, there are consequences.
Number 15. Fail an exam. It means to not pass a test or examination.
She was upset because she failed an exam. She was upset because she failed an exam. If you fail an exam, try again. If you fail an exam, try again. Many students fear they'll fail an exam. Many students fear they'll fail an exam.